Hi, I'm Dr. Nicole with Sleigh Family Chiropractic, and today I'm going to talk to you about how chiropractic care can help relieve constipation. So about 5 to 28% of kids will experience constipation, and that can begin soon after birth or it can continue well into development. A lot of times constipation can arise when the joints of the spine, especially in that lower back, are not functioning how they're supposed to, because that puts pressure on the nerves, and in that area specifically, those nerves travel to the bowel, so we can have some of those digestive issues arise. So if we're looking here at the poster, especially within this lower portion of the spine, like I said, those are the nerves that travel to the bowel, so you can see all the different symptoms that can arise. Most commonly we notice gas, constipation, bloating, irritable bowel syndrome, stomach aches. So all of those directly relate to that digestive system not functioning how it's supposed to. So with chiropractic care, we make sure that those joints are functioning properly. That takes pressure off of the nervous system, which restores that digestion. Hopefully this gives you a better idea as to how chiropractic care can help relieve constipation in your kiddos.